Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable auto renew on Apple subscriptions, billing control step by step clearly. Unlock your iPhone or iPad and make sure you are signed in with the Apple ID you use for the subscription. Open the Settings app from your home screen. Tap your name at the very top to enter your Apple ID menu. Select Subscriptions to see every plan linked to your Apple account. If you do not see subscriptions, tap Media and Purchases, then View Account, and look for subscriptions there. Wait for the list to load and confirm you are viewing the correct Apple ID at the top. Tap the subscription you want to. Read the subscription name and price carefully to avoid changing the wrong plan. Locate the renewal section or the option labeled Cancel Subscription. Tap Cancel Subscription to turn off auto renew for that subscription. If you see Cancel Free Trial, tap it to prevent the trial from converting into a paid plan. Confirm your choice when Apple asks you to verify the cancellation. Check that the status now shows an expiration. Remember that you will usually keep access until the current billing period ends. If you want to change billing without fully canceling, look for a list of available plans under Options. Tap a cheaper plan if available, and confirm to switch instead of auto-renewing the current tier. If the subscription is billed through a family organizer, ask the organizer to repeat these steps on their device. If you are using a Mac, open the App Store and click your name in the bottom left. Click Account Settings and sign in if prompted. Scroll to Subscriptions and click Manage. Find the subscription and click Edit. Set auto renewal to off or click Cancel Subscription, then confirm. If you do not see the subscription, verify you are signed into the correct Apple ID and check a different account if needed. Also check whether the service was purchased directly from the provider, because those are cancelled on the provider's website. For extra billing control, keep purchase sharing and family settings in mind if multiple users share the same Apple ID features. After canceling, take a screenshot of the expiration date for your records. If you change your mind, return to subscriptions before the end date and choose a plan to resubscribe. Repeat these steps for any other subscriptions you want to stop from renewing automatically. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.